Hey everyone, my name is Jessica, and today we'll be taking a look at the new KQi3 Pro Foldable Electric Kick Scooter. I'm so excited to talk to you today about the charge range, the 31 travel miles, and it's foldable. So let's get into it. With the ability to go 31 miles and 20 miles per hour top speed, this is perfect for me from going to the grocery store, to a coffee shop, to the local bookstore. The next feature I want to mention is the triple braking system. With the triple braking system, it has a front and rear disc brake and an electric brake. This makes me feel extremely safe knowing that there is a great braking system support to rely on. Now, let's take a look at the iconic halo headlight. Turning it on here, you'll see the beautiful luminescent light and the integrated bell. This will make sure that you are heard and seen. One of my favorite features is how portable it is. The folding mechanism allows it to be quick, easy, and safe in just seconds. And that was the new KQi3 Electric Kick Scooter. My name is Jessica, and if you want to learn more about this product or others like it, click the link below to chat with an expert like me. See you again next time.